Ban Kirsha ni ki samla ki bapuli ya ka class 10 ki ban satho ya ka exam SSLC house nem ban 1 ka kong Jasmine Mary Lyngdoh kala shim ya ka Synniang ban yarap eki da ka babu ya ka free coaching hasil van deal school nongra. Habakran ha kani ka sngi ka kong Jasmine Lyngdoh kala penpau ya ka jings ngokumen bakala yo ya kani ka lat ban Kirsha ni ki samla puli jong ka constituency hi barok away. Kala ithu ru bakani ka free coaching kan long ka jingkir khu ya ki samla.
As we are looking at this year's exams, I think you will see that the number of students who have sat for the matriculation exams is about 57,000. And half of that have cleared the exams. About 32,000 have cleared. So we can see that there's a big gap in how students preparing for the exams are actually reaching their goals. So that's why we wanted to put this mission before you, who are residents of the North Mine, to take this initiative and to be able to provide a kind of a guidance and a kind of a direction to our students. So the motto that we have put for this particular coaching program is to believe and achieve. I think that motto tells us that yes, when we started this program, we believed that yes, we can do so much to the society.
Na kaliang ka kong ampri Lyngdoh kabadai ka kong san ha kani ka jingalang kala penpau ya ka jings ngokumen baka para da ka jingatrilang baka yeng kasem kila shim ya kani ka Synniang. Kala ongru baka ni kamdai bakile ban yo jingmentoy ha ka election. Henrei kile na kabanta ki khun ki kiti bar kalawai jongki.